In 1986, the city of Cleveland, Ohio, witnessed an event that would go down in history as a striking example of a well-intentioned idea gone terribly wrong. On a day that was supposed to be filled with joyous celebration, the city's residents bore witness to an unparalleled spectacle, a sight that was as mesmerizing as it was catastrophic. United Way of Cleveland, a venerable organization known for its philanthropic endeavors, had put together a plan, a grand vision, to boost the city's morale and raise funds. Their idea was simple, yet ambitious: to release 1.5 million balloons into the sky. A sea of colorful orbs ascending towards the heavens, it was meant to be a breathtaking sight, a symbol of unity and hope. This was not just another balloon release. This was an attempt to etch their name into the annals of the Guinness World Records. A record-breaking feat that was supposed to bring glory and pride to the city. The anticipation was palpable, the excitement was contagious. Everyone was eager to be a part of what was supposed to be a historic moment. But then, as the saying goes, the shift in the spectacle's narrative, as a sudden rainstorm forced the balloons to descend far earlier than anticipated. The city's skies, once dotted with vibrant hues, were now clouded with a chaotic downpour of deflated dreams. The balloon's descent was not a gentle shower, but rather a storm of disruption. Traffic came to a standstill as roads were blanketed in a sea of rubber. The city's infrastructure, unprepared for such an onslaught, struggled to cope. The balloons clogged waterways, wreaked havoc on power lines, and turned the city's streets into a sudden invasion of their airspace were found entangled in the balloon's strings, struggling for freedom. The city's parks, once sanctuaries of nature, were now graveyards of rubber and string. The city was left reeling, struggling to grasp the magnitude of the chaos. The aftermath of the balloon launch was a far cry from the jovial celebration it was intended to be. The city was left in a state of disarray, the consequences of the balloon launch far more severe than anyone could have predicted. In the wake of the event, the city of Cleveland was left to deal with the repercussions of the balloon disaster. The aftermath was as colossal as the event itself. The United Way of Cleveland, the organization that had launched this event with much enthusiasm, was hit with several lawsuits. The cleanup efforts were massive, requiring the collective work of the community to restore the city to its former state. However, the effects didn't stop there. The environment bore the brunt of the disaster, with deflated balloons littering the Lake Erie shoreline, causing problems for the local wildlife and marine life. These long-term environmental effects remained as a silent reminder of the disaster. Yet, from this catastrophic event, important lessons were learned. It underscored the significance of thoroughly considering potential risks and outcomes in large-scale events. It highlighted the fact that a well-intentioned act can turn disastrous if not properly planned and executed. The Ohio 1986 balloon disaster serves as a stark reminder that even the best of intentions can lead to unexpected and disastrous outcomes when not fully thought through.